the car came by my window, and I was like, oh my god, that's my package from Alpecin. So, and guess what? It is! So I'm very happy now, and I'm gonna unbox it for you on camera. So yeah, I'm excited. This is not the only box. I have here a big one, a really big one. It's like 10 times this one. So yeah, I'm very excited and I'm gonna open it. So enjoy my video of what I'm getting from Alpecin. Because otherwise this weekend we would go to Germany to meet everyone, but unfortunately that's not going to happen. So they sent us a little surprise and I'm very happy. First is, of course, I'll show you the fit. So this is the jersey we're getting. Yeah, the jersey. Well, wait. So the jersey. Yeah. Then here we have the shorts. So this is your Alpecin, and another one Alpecin, and it's from ASOS, Switzerland. You see, ASOS. I don't know if it shows. Well, ASOS is a clothing line, and it's very nice. Yeah. So this is the jersey. And as you can see, there's Alpecin on it, and here is also ASOS, and of course Canyon. Look, it's on the side. Here, Canyon, yeah. That's great, right? Oh, and also in the neck, we have Canyon. And oh, I like this. You see it? It's like glittering. I love it. So that's that. Yeah. Okay, wait. I'm back. Alpecin. It's great, right? So now I'm pretty sure there's more than only this. So next there's an element. Yes, look, element. It's yeah, for your bike. So you can build your ride. And there's also a route in it, and maybe I can get it out. I don't know. Maybe. Look, it's like this. So with everything, all the stuff. I don't know how it works. Maybe I have to do this tonight so I can ride with it tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna ride my bike. And we have this. It's a heart rate for on your wrist with Bluetooth. Also with Wahoo. It's very nice. Love it. Love it. I'm so excited. User manual. And we have this. What's this for? Ah, because I know. Because I have a little big package. So. This is pretty big, so I think you can see it. as you can see. It's a smart trainer. Core, wahoo, kicker, core. Huh. So, I have some room. I need some. So, I'm gonna sit there. Whenever we get locked down and we can go outside, I can train indoor. Very smart of you guys. It's very smart. And I love the clothing, by the way. I only miss a winter jacket. It's very cold outside. And thank you, Alpecin, for this great present. It's like Santa's came early this year. I'm very happy and thank you. Thank you very, very, very much. I'm gonna enjoy this.